Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon to my channel. Today I'm playing with some polishes from the Birds of Paradise collection. These are all of the colors swatched out. There was a lot going on this past weekend, so I wanted to do something kind of quick and easy, so I'm using the Kiara Sky Jelly Tip system. Doing some basic nail prep, just going through and pushing back my cuticles, and then I'll be using my e-file to kind of clean up the areas around my cuticle to ensure that there's no lifting. One of the reasons I love this kit is that it's very easy to use. It's beginner friendly. After you buff up your natural nails, you're going to want to etch up the inside of the jelly tips that you're going to be using. This is so they adhere a little bit better onto your nails. So the system is easy, like I said. You have 4 steps. One is your prep. So that's going to be your very first step. You're going to prep all of your nails. And then you're going to take the primer and you're going to prime all of them. You're going to let them dry, and then we're going to go in with the builder gel. After you apply your builder gel, you're going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I do 2 nails at a time because the gel is sticky and I don't like to get little hairs stuck on them. But once you go to apply the builder gel onto the nail itself, you want to only do very little. You're just going to want to put some at the very bottom. You don't want it to pool over into your cuticle area, so you want to make sure that you don't put too much in there. And again, you're going to cure that for 60 seconds once it's on your nail. After you've applied to all of your nails, I do recommend curing for another 60 seconds just to make sure that they're on there really good. And then you're going to want to take a hand file and just kind of go across the tips. There is a rigid edge at the very tips of them that can be kind of sharp and kind of get stuck on things. So you definitely want to get that part off. And then, I mean, that's really it. There isn't really too much filing that you have to do, which is really nice with this system. I like to take my e-file just around the cuticle to make it more flush to the nail. And that's really all I do for filing. And then you're going to want to buff up the nail too, because you're going to apply polish or any gemstones or any nail art. You're going to want to buff up the nail. After you're done filing, you're going to want to use a lint-free wipe and some alcohol to remove any of the excess dust. And today I'm using some Makartt foils. I've never used their foils before, so this was a learning curve for me. I just didn't find that they transferred very well, but I could have just used it wrong, so this is my first time using these. I do figure it out, or kind of figure it out in the end here, so just bear with me. But you're going to use a base coat, apply that and cure it, and then you're going to go over top of that with the foil glue, wherever you want the foil to stick to. These feathers I thought were perfect since the polish that I'm using is from the Birds of Paradise collection. But once you apply the foil onto the nail, you're going to want to push onto that firmly. I have my scissors here to help me out with that, and then you're going to remove it. So basically you just keep repeating that process, filling in any gaps and holes with whatever foil you want it to fill in with, and then we're going to top coat it so we protect those layers before I apply the polish that I'm going to be using. So I don't have a brush that I could use to feather or ombre any nail polish, so I'm just using a polygel brush since you get one in every polygel kit, and I have a ton of those. Taking my scissors, just cutting that up a little bit, and that's going to help me blend that polish into the nail tip. And I'm using the color Macaw. Such a gorgeous pink color. I love it. And what's really nice about this polish is you only need one coat, and it is so pigmented. One coat is just fine, and it's thick enough. There's no see-through. I'm taking my brush now, and I have a little bit of alcohol on it, and I'm just going to blend that polish up towards the tip, blending in those feathers, and I'm just going to keep doing that until I'm happy with it.
You want it forever. Trying to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. And I love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter, and I got me on my own, and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you help yourself to somebody else. It's too late. Don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Trying to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter.
Once I'm happy with my blend, I'm going to take step 4, which is the top coat, and top coat all of the nails. I'm also going to top coat the underside because there are some open spaces that it could just look a little more clear, so I take the top coat underneath. And I cure it for a full 60 seconds before we apply the cuticle oil. This is the finished look. I think they turned out cute and they were perfect for my Mother's Day weekend. I hope everybody had an awesome weekend, and if you're a mother, I hope you had a great Mother's Day and you were treated like a queen that you are. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and like. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of this quick, easy set. And I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!